Yeah, like last week I had ribs on the bone finally for the first time in years. I haven't had a chance to really do that until actually 2 weeks ago. My name is Patrick West and I'm a patient of Dr. Loetscher's. When I was younger, I had sort of an issue with bone loss. Implants were not really used at that time. To work around that, I had a 9-unit bridge put in. So I was told it would, 20 to 30 years if I'm lucky. And I was lucky that it was 22 years. And so that's where the referral to Dr. Loetscher came. He, examined it and he saw the rest of the bone that was available and said, I think we can do this very easily. We just have to think a little bit outside the box.
So Patrick came in and he actually had a dental bridge that had been placed 20 years ago. He was failing, he needed something done. His solution is pretty much in the bullseye of modern treatment where we could remove his teeth all at once and put in some implants and completely transform him to a beautiful smile all in one shot.
In the end, we ended up with 6 implants, 2 on either side of the bone loss to sort of shore up that and keep it solidified. So to walk in and see, this device that I'm going to stand up into and it's going to sort of go around my head and take a full pan x-ray of everything in minute detail. And then to go into the next room and see it come up on the screen. I've never seen anything like it. I knew very confidently coming in here exactly what was going to happen. Everything that was told to me proved to be true. So I'm very happy with the end result. I look great. I've gotten more compliments on my smile. I can think back to my previous bridge and I didn't have the same confidence with that I do here. Like I feel like I could bite down and chew basically anything. I can't say enough about the practice. They work really hard to make you feel comfortable through the whole process.
It was so exciting to see what we could do for him and so exciting to see someone smiling all the time.